Welcome back. Let's do question 423. The graphs of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5 and g of x is equal to a times 2 to the power x plus q are sketched below. This is the graph of f of x and the graph of g of x. E and h are the x-intercepts of f. E and h are the x-intercepts of f. C is the y-intercept of f and lies on the asymptote of g. This is C. And then in question 421, we managed to find that the coordinates of C are 0, -5. The two graphs intersected D, the turning point of F. In question 422, we managed to find that the coordinates of D are actually 2 and then -9. Determine the value of A and Q. This is the asymptote of G, so it means y is equal to -5, and then point D is on g of x. So we have the asymptote and a point on the graph. We can use these two to find the equation of g of x. So we have g of x is equal to a times 2 to the power x plus q. Then our q is -5 from the asymptote there. Then here we're going to put -9, the y coordinate of d, and then x we're going to put 2 from the x coordinate of d. So we have -9 is equal to a times 2 to the power 2 minus 5. We can add 5 to both sides of the equation. It becomes -4 is equal to 4a, because 2 squared is 4. Then divide by 4 on both sides of the equation. A is equal to -1. Therefore, g of x is equal to -2 to the power x minus 5. A is equal to -1 and q is equal to -5.